That's what I was saying. Tasty as, right? Oh, hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. Stefan back with you. Now, I've recently had the privilege of spending some lovely time in Miami, Florida with some beautiful people, some of which work for the Coconut Cartel, an aged Guatemalan rum that's been infused with coconut. And with these legends, we're teaming up to bring you the ultimate coconut and coffee cocktail kit and a guide to mix. So let's keep the summer Miami vibes going and teach you how to make some of my favorite coconut coffee cocktails. So let's get started. Coconut and coffee, of course these things work together. They're both tropical fruits, with one thriving at elevation and the other closer to sea level. Earthy, roasty, salty, tropical. Let's go ahead and get this whole thing started with a coconut espresso martini using Mr. Black and Coconut Cartel. We'll go ahead and build this directly into a shaker tin. We'll add 1.5 ounces of Mr. Black cold brew liqueur, 1 ounce of Coconut Cartel, 1 ounce of a cold brew concentrate or coffee of your choosing. And just like all these cocktails today, I'll be adding just a little bit of salinity, which really helps that coconut to pop in the glass. So we'll add just a pinch of salt. We'll go ahead and add our ice and give this a nice hard shake. That way we get a beautiful, frothy, fluffy head. Strain into a chilled coupe glass. And our garnish today will be some freshly grated nutmeg. The coconut espresso martini. Enjoy, y'all. For our next cocktail, we have a coconut cold fashioned. We'll go ahead and build this into a mixing glass, starting with 1 ounce of Coconut Cartel rum, 1 ounce of Mr. Black cold brew liqueur, and then just as the song says, we're gonna put a little lime in this coconut and stir it all up. So I'm gonna use 4 dashes of Scrappy's lime bitters. Add just that touch of salt. Add our ice. And give this a good stir to chill, dilute, and incorporate the ingredients. We'll go ahead and strain into a chilled old-fashioned glass. Add some fresh ice. Ice stamp optional. And garnish with a lime peel. There it is, Cocoa Cold Fashioned. Enjoy, y'all. For our last cocktail of the day, I'm calling this the Cocoa Cold Brew Cabana. Now, I had to do this. We had to make a colada using this beautiful Guatemalan rum and Mr. Black. So to make this one, we're gonna build it into a mixing tin, starting with 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 1.5 ounces of coconut cream. I'm using Coco Lopez. 1 ounce of Coconut Cartel rum, 1 ounce of Mr. Black cold brew liqueur. Then we'll add that pinch of salt, add about 2 to 3 ounces of pebble or crushed ice. And we're gonna give this a whip shake. It's a little different than a hard shake. We're just gonna whip it up, those few cubes that we put in there, until they're completely diluted, until you don't hear that ice anymore. And then we'll pour this directly into a Collins glass, or any tropical glass will do, a hurricane, a tiki mug, whatever you've got. And then please have fun with this garnish. Let's really set these Miami summer vibes. And there you have it, a cocoa cold brew Cabana colada. Cheers, y'all. If we've inspired you to make a few of these for yourself, head on over to our online store, shopmrblack.co, to pick up a kit with Mr. Black and Coconut Cartel. Try these recipes for yourself, switch them up, make them your own. Just let us know how you did in the comment section down below. Until next time, be well, drink great coffee cocktails, and be good humans. Cheers, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoy these videos as much as we enjoy making them. Please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as it really helps our channel grow. And if you have questions about coffee cocktails, leave them down in the comment section down below. And click all over the screen for more excellent content from Mr. Black. Cheers, y'all.